Now, itong next problem natin, yung topic na to is nasa dynamics na. Yan. So, a projectile daw is launched at level ground at a certain angle of 20 degrees with the vertical. So, ito yung medyo tricky. With the vertical yung sinabi. So, yung initial velocity daw is 50 meter per second. So, ito yung motion natin. Parabolic yung path, and then we have an initial velocity of 50 meter per second. Yan. And then, the given angle is with respect sa vertical. Yan. So, yung 20 degrees pala is ito. Yan, 20 degrees. So, yung with respect sa horizontal is 70 degrees. 90 minus 20. Yan. Now, along x, yung velocity will not reduce kasi walang deceleration na mangyayari along x. But along y, since merong gravitational acceleration, yung velocity along y will reduce until it reaches 0 dito sa maximum point. So, sa maximum point pala, Vy equals 0. But, Vx is, again, this is constant lang. Now, merong components yung velocity natin. Ito yung, sabihin natin, Vx. Ito naman, Vy. So, Vx is 50 cosine 70, and then Vy naman is 50 sine 70. Yan. But again, this will change, yung Vy mag-change at any point. Kasi merong gravitational acceleration. So, for the first question, compute the velocity daw at the maximum height. So, sa maximum height, essentially, yung tanong kasi dito is V, which is Vx squared plus Vy squared. Yung Vy kasi sa maximum height will become 0. So, yung merong bearing na lang is itong 50 cos 70 na lang. Now, if this is 0, and then you're just getting the square root of a value that is squared. So, wag mo na lang lagyan. Bala, the velocity is already 50 cosine 70. So, input natin, we have 17.1. This is meter per second. Yan. So, sagot pala natin is letter B. So, yung tricky na question dito is, na choice, is baka gawin mong 0. Kasi yung Vy 0, but take note na meron tayong velocity pa rin along x, which is not changing. Now, for the next one, compute the velocity after 2 seconds. So, mangyayari dito is, compute natin saang point yan siya. Although, hindi kailangan, mas maganda pag meron. Diba? We have the formula sa kinematics natin, Vf equals Vi plus At. So, yung velocity at the highest point is 0, and then the initial velocity along y is 50 sine 70. And then minus yung gravitational acceleration kasi it's acting opposite to the direction of the motion if going up pa yung object natin. Multiply daw natin by t. So 0 equals 50 sine 70 minus 9.81 x Yan. So, we have 4.789. Ito yung time na kailangan to reach the highest point. Yan. Hindi to kailangan, but I just want to parang ang tawag dito, ma-illustrate kung saan yung 2 seconds. Yung 2 seconds pala is perhaps somewhere dito. Time equals 2 seconds. Yan. So, at time equals 2 seconds, meron yan siyang Vx saka Vy. So, yung Vx is constant pa rin. So, magiging square root of 17.1 squared pa rin. Yan, Vx squared. But yung Vy natin is essentially, ito yung gagamitin natin na formula. Yan. So, the initial velocity is still this one. Ano na lang, copy na lang natin. Yan. But the time is at 2 seconds. So, ano daw yung velocity along y at this instant? Yan. So, 50 sine 70 minus 9.81 multiplied by 2, we have 27.36. Square natin. And then, let's get this numerical value. So, 17.1 squared plus 27.36 squared, we have 32.26. And then this is meter per second. Yan. So, ito pala. Letter B.